Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Motorola Moto G13. Firstly, open Play Store on both devices and click on the search bars. Now you need to type in Send Anywhere and get this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. In order to continue, you need to do exactly the same on both smartphones. Click on I accept, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other device, I accept, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about newsletters and updates, you can click on Not Now if you want to, and then close it by hitting OK. From here, tap on Send at the bottom left corner of your Android if it's not already on, and then select Receive at the bottom next to Send on Motorola. Also on Motorola, you need to choose the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Now tap on Close this window and go back to an Android. Then select all of those type of dots from all of those categories above. So sorry, misclick. This way you will select all of them and transfer them later on. To do that, tap on Send next to Selected. You can also just click on some of your files instead and tap on Send then. Now choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and pick the best connection way for you. In order to scan this QR code, you need to choose the scanning icon next to Input key on Motorola. Then choose while using the app or only this time, and point your Motorola's camera at the code. Then wait. If you wish to input this 6-digit key instead, you need to tap on Input Key section under Enter the key. When you're ready, connect by tapping on Receive button. So when I do that, as you can see, my file was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!